What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You see, we've had a winter storm here. We've actually had two good-sized snows this week. You see on the side of the barn here, it's all piled up. Today, we got to unload feed here, which you've seen, quite a while. I'm hearing the snow melting off the roof. That's what I'm hearing. But anyway, you've seen that quite a while, and that's nothing new. But we got to get through a foot of snow here and get the grinder down to where we need it. And last time we tried to put a tractor down there, we got stuck pretty good. So now we're going to be battling the snow, and we're going to bring you guys along for the ride. Thinking we're going to have to tie the tractor to the front of the other tractor, and just to make it around the yard so we don't get hung up with the grinder. So it's going to be fun. But first things first, we got to pull this stuff out because I need that tractor right there, and everything's in the way. Gator's out. Got to get my truck now. It don't really see snow. I don't drive it in the snow. I'm going to pull it out here and let it sit outside just to get the tractor out, which is all right, but as far as driving it and all the salt and all the grime on the roads there, I don't do it because I don't want it to fall apart on me. .73 Power Stroke cold start. Here we go. That one wasn't as exciting, but it was plugged in, and it kind of is more important right now than this one. Boy, she looks real good sitting out in the snow. Man, that paint just shines and reflects so good. Don't that look really good? Looks so good. Not often enough. No. No. Yeah, probably. He's having a heck of a time trying to get that thing around there. And it is slicker than snot. I've about fell quite a bit already. We need to get the tractor 4000 around to that barn down there, unload this feed. What we're thinking is when we get the tractor and grinder back straight down, we're going to hook a chain to the back of this tractor to the front of the 4020 so we can pull it up over that hill there, because with these two-wheel drive tractors and this much snow and ice, they're just sitting down there spinning. They can't get no traction. So everything's just a icy, slick, muddy, yucky mess. At least it ain't below zero like it has been. I guess that's a bright side to it. So we had a heck of a time trying to get around that little hill and curve there. We got two log chains, put them under each of the rear tires. That way those tires could grab them chains, get a little bit of traction, boost that tractor back. This is all solid ice. Especially underneath all this snow. It's a daggone mess. You see the little conniption we got going on here? Oh, that's a bunch of snow. Putting fresh gravel down on the snow to get more traction when we go back up and climb that hill there. We've got tension on the chain to try to keep it in case it don't slide back. Gravel under the tires for traction. Tripping hazard. Now it's time to unload feed. And Bella's gonna help, aren't you, Bella? Yeah, you've been slipping too, aren't you? Yeah. It's an ice rink out here. Now let's start this whole thing back up. He just slipped and fell, by the way, too. Cold start. Came up and got a bag of mineral, threw in the back of the Gator here to put up in the cattle oiler. We normally don't set that thing out until spring of the year when it gets warm out, but we figured with the cold weather the cows might want something to rub on and have a little bit extra to eat. So when this cold snap first came in, we ground a bunch of extra feed and put out a whole bunch of extra hay, opened the barn up just to keep them as comfy as possible, because if you're cold, you know, they're usually cold too. So we're gonna throw this up there. You throw it in the middle of that cattle oiler there, and it tempts them to stick their head in between or underneath the flaps there, and the flaps have kerosene, and in the summertime we put malathion in there, helps kill the insects off, just to treat their fur there and to keep all parasites and stuff off of them. Try to keep them a little bit happy. They're a little bit spoiled like that. That right there is where the pond is, in case you didn't know. Oh, Bessie here's hauling this mineral up to the oiler there for us, so I don't have to slip and trip on the ice. This big boy don't slide too well on the ice. I usually end up on the ground. we successfully got the feed ground. The tractor pulled back up off the hill there. I'm gonna go pull my truck back out of the barn, and I'm gonna put that tractor back up and start getting stuff put away for the evening. And Bella got a pigeon. Look at that. Bella, what'd you get? Oh, that ain't no pigeon, that's a dove. Hang on, Bella. What'd that dove do to you? I guess looked at her the wrong way. Not too sure. But traffic on County Road there has been light throughout all this, as you can imagine. There's a truck going right now, but that gator's been my only mode of transportation throughout all this, because that's the only thing I got that I'll actually drive that'll make it. So, kudos to the gator. Thanks, John Deere, for designing such a capable off-road snow machine. Wow. You guys seen how the old girl didn't like to start the first time. Let's see if I can start it the second time and get it out of here without hitting nothing. Smoky in here. I wonder why. Come on back. That's good. Right in the middle there, well, that about wraps it up for today's video. I'm going in. I want to have myself a good night. Big plate of lasagna. And probably a bowl of cookies after that. And so fat boy's got to eat. Stay warm. So, without further ado, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And tell your friends about the video, because you know you liked it and whatnot. So, I'll see you guys next time. Stay warm, stay safe. I can't even talk, man. Until next time, stay warm, stay safe. God bless you. We'll see you later. Mwah.